So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're on TikTok and TikTok calls aren't working. Now, this occasionally happens for the most part. Now, the first thing to keep in mind here, the first thing to remember here, is that as you're going through and you're calling somebody on TikTok, you're going to have to remember that you might actually have to go through and update your application. So go right into your app store just like this, go and find the search bar, and go and find the TikTok app just like so. And what you're going to want to do is update the TikTok app. So go right inside of the TikTok application like this, and go ahead and try updating the app. Most of the time that might end up fixing it for you if you just simply update it, and that's the very first thing I'd recommend doing. Now if that's not working, you can also try going inside of your Wi-Fi connection or cell connections or anything like that, and try seeing if that ends up adjusting or fixing some issues too. Sometimes just kind of going through and kind of adjusting those things is another thing I'd recommend doing here too, and that's another thing that might end up fixing it for you as well. If that's still not working, try restarting your phone. And if that's not working, that TikTok feature might still be coming out on a rolling basis, so it might not be publicly available for you just yet, but it should be available for you at some point. So hopefully that ends up covering it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.